go in my dark room and I'm gonna show you how we scan OB and GYN with this. I'm actually gonna scan my IUD so you can see how it looks like with this probe and how it can come in handy in those cases as well, especially because we put a lot of IUDs in here, so checking it right away would be amazing. So we're gonna scan third trimester now, and this is M mode because this is what I would actually love to scan here, so we can actually save time on getting these heartbeat ultrasounds added in. And we're gonna freeze right here. We're gonna measure heart rate here, and it's 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're at 138 beats per minute. The resolution is beautiful. You can actually see what she's having right here. BPD. If we needed an AC, right here. And femur length right here. Fluid checks. Look at that heart go. Placenta. So these are all the things you can check with just one probe. And let's get a picture for mom. And I love this thing.